buttermilk. Place one marker in the stitch above the 6th 3 double crochets closed together of the round 27. Count 9 stitches and put another one on the 9th. Skip 10 stitches and insert a marker in stitch 11. Count 9 stitches and insert one marker in the next one. There must be 9 stitches left until the next 3 double crochets close together. Start in the chains 3 space of the round 26, below the first marker. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the next chains 3 space. Chains 3. One single crochet. Chains 2. In the second marker, work 1 single crochet. Chains 2. 1 single crochet. Chains 2. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 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 1 quadruple in the chains 2 space of the round 23, between 2 puffs. Chains 5. On the marker, work 2 singles crochets separated by chains 2. Chains 5. Again, work 1 quadruple in the same space of the round 23. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chains 2. On the marker, work 2 singles crochets separated by chains 2. Chains 2. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total: 8 quadruples, 64 single crochets, 8 chains 5, 56 chains 3, 32 chains 2. Khaki. Work in the first chains 2 space of the round 34. 3 triples close together. One slip stitch in the 4th stitch to the rig of the back loop of the round 32, just at the beginning of the round. Chains 2. 3 double crochets close together. Chains 2. 3 double crochets close together. Chain 6. Skip 6 stitches of the back loop of the round 32. One slip stitch. Work in the chains 2 space of the round 34. 6 3 triples close together separated by chains 2. Skip 3 stitches. One slip stitch in the 4th stitch of the back loop of the round. Chain 6. In the chains 2 space of the round 34, work 3 double crochets close together. Chains 2. 3 double crochets close together. Chains 2. 3 triples close together. Skip 3 stitches. 1 slip stitch in the 4th stitch of the back loop. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. 1 single crochet. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first 3 triples close together, introducing in addition the crochet on the back loop of the round 32. Total: 32 3 triples close together, 16 3 double crochets close together, 16 single crochet, 8 chain 6, 13 chains 2, 16 slip stitches. Tomato. Start in the back loop of the round 32 to the left of stitches of the round 35. Skip 1 stitch. Two triples. Three double crochets. Two triples. Chains 3. 1 singles crochet front post in the 3 triples close together to the round 35. Chains 3. 1 singles crochet front post. Chains 3. 1 singles crochet front post. Chains 3. Skip 2 stitches of the back loop of the round 32 and work 1 slip stitch. Work in each chains 2 space of the fan of the round 35 3 triple crochets close together separated by chains 2. Skip to the next space. Skip 4 stitches of the back loop of the round 32 and work 1 slip stitch. Chains 3. 1 singles crochet front post in the double crochets close together of the round 35. Chains 3. 1 single crochet front post. Chains 3. 1 singles crochet front post. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first triple. Total, 16 triples, 63 triple crochets close together, 12 double crochets, 24 singles crochets front post, 32 chains 3, 40 chains 2, 8 slip stitches.